First at 6 o'clock, Ascension Saint John is going to close its 22-bed unit that treats children in about 3 months. The hospital has decided to invest millions in more adult ICU space. Thanks for joining us. I'm Lori Fulbright.
And I'm Craig Day. News on 6's Kristen Weaver says some people are worried they may have to take their children out of state since there will be only one pediatric ICU unit left in Tulsa. Kristen?
Well, Craig and Lori, I talked to a doctor in Muskogee who sends nearly all the kids needing a hospital here to Saint John. He says that a lot of rural doctors rely on Saint John, and the lack of pediatric care here in Oklahoma is already bad enough. Donisha Gillespie is a mother of 2 boys. RJ is 12 and Cam is 2 years old. They were both born prematurely.
I've been through so much.
Donisha says RJ spent time in the pediatric ICU at Saint John. Cam spent several months in the hospital, and Saint John needed to transfer him in 2019, but there weren't beds available at nearby hospitals. She was afraid she would have to move to Missouri or Texas to be with Cam.
At this time, St. Francis was full. Oklahoma City was full.
Eventually, a bed at St. Francis opened up, but Donisha says without both hospitals, she wouldn't have known what to do.
Disheartening to find out that St. John is shutting down the pediatric unit.
Dr. Michael Stratton has been a pediatrician for a few decades and works at Children's Clinic in Muskogee. He says he transfers about 3 kids a week to St. John, and it's a simple, easy process.
The communication is great. There's no hassle getting a patient admitted.
St. John said in a statement it's investing $27 million to expand its adult ICU capacity and close its pediatric ICU and pediatric inpatient unit on April 30th after doing a community needs assessment. A doctor at St. John says there are 22 beds and up to 8 are for the PICU, and St. John averages about 100 pediatric patients per month.
From my experience, I do think that pediatric care is hurting throughout the state.
And St. Francis will be the only hospital with a pediatric ICU here in Tulsa. St. Francis says it will coordinate transfers to make sure that patients do get quality care close to home. Now, St. John will continue pediatric surgeries and NICU care for those premature babies. Live in Tulsa, Kristen Weaver, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.